สำหรับในแต่ก่อนนี้จึงมาเรียนในเครื่องถ่ายมีการตัวครั้งแต่เลยการประกาศสติ๊กเกอร์ในขนม ChatGPT หนึ่ง Gemini แต่ในแต่ก่อนนี้มันตอนดังเดียถ่ายสติ๊กเกอร์นั่นคือยังอายุมาประกาศในขนมการแชทในขนม Telegram บ้านต่อมาเมื่อแต่ก่อนนี้เป็นระเบียบในการประกาศสติ๊กเกอร์แต่ยังประกาศในขนม ChatGPT หรือว่า Gemini อายุมาได้ที่สติ๊กเกอร์ในขนม Telegram ระเบียบต่อมาเมื่อแต่ก่อนนี้
ตาเรายังมาจับด้ามนี่สติ๊กเกอร์ได้ยังมันประกาศบ้านในขนม Gemini หรือว่า ChatGPT ต่อมาที่ยังบางแต่มาการ Photoshop มาเยอะมากhay យើងមើលយើង remove background ចេញយើងយកតែរូបទៅបានហើយនៅក្នុងនេះហើយមួយទៀតយើងត្រូវកាត់បន្ថែមទៀតកុំឲ្យវាជាប់រូបច្រើននៅក្នុងភាពតែមួយអញ្ចឹងយើងកាត់រូបមួយចេញដើម្បីយើងយកទៅ save សម្រាប់តែរូបភាពមួយទេអញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុងរូបនេះគឺយើងបានកាត់ហើយបន្តមកទៀតយើងមកបើកទំព័រថ្មីហើយយើងដាក់ size វា512ហើយគេបង្កើតវាថ្មីមកហើយយើងទាញរូបដែលយើងបានកាន់មិញគឺចូលមកកាន់ទៅជារូបតែមួយបានហើយតមកបានយើងសៀវយើងដាក់ឈ្មោះអីក៏បានដែរពេលដែលយើងសៀវទៅបន្តមកទៀតយើងចូលមក Telegram របស់យើងមក Telegram boot sticker នេះហើយclick ទៅលើ new page តមកវាឲ្យយើងរើសឈ្មោះយើងដាក់ឈ្មោះអីក៏បានដែរតាមអ្វីដែលយើងអាចចាំបានខ្ញុំដាក់កតា live បន្តមកទៀតវាតម្រូវឲ្យយើងបង្កើតជារូបភាពដែលយើងបានបង្កើតហើយជាក់ស្ដែងគឺ512នឹងជា size របស់វាយើងគ្រាន់តែ upload រូបជើងចូលទេគឺបានហើយដោយសារតែយើងមានរូបស្រាប់អញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់អ្នកដែលគាត់អត់ទាន់មានទេគឺបង្កើតទៅ size វាគឺ512អញ្ចឹងយើងចូលមក upload រូបយើងមកអញ្ចឹងនេះរូបរបស់យើងដែលយើងបានបង្កើតអញ្ចឹងយើងញ៉ាទៅមួយទៅគឺវានឹងបញ្ជាក់ថា sticker យើងបានជោគជ័យហើយតែវាត្រូវការ emoji ដើម្បីតំណាងរូបនឹងអញ្ចឹងយើងត្រូវដាក់ emoji ណាមួយមកគឺវាអូខេហើយអញ្ចឹងយើងអាចដុតបន្ថែមទៀតមកហើយដាក់ emoji ដែរបើថារូបមួយគឺយើងដាក់ emoji មួយអញ្ចឹងយើងតែ upload ទៅបើយើងមាន sticker ច្រើនយើង upload ទៅតាមហ្នឹងដែរអញ្ចឹងកន្លែងនេះគឺខ្ញុំសុំ speed បន្តិចដែរឲ្យវាប្រើពេលយូរសម្រាប់នេះយើងបន្តមកទៀតពេលដែលយើងចប់នេះហើយយើងត្រូវតែupload 100វិញម្ដង100 image size វាហ្នឹងគឺដើម្បីយើងដាក់ជារូបតំណាងនៃ sticker របស់យើងណាអញ្ចឹងរូបតំណាងខ្ញុំយកជារូបនេះចុះហើយ size របស់វាគឺ100x100 pixel បន្តមក save ជា PNG មកបន្ទាប់ពី save ហើយយើងអាចចូលមក upload ទៅលើ requirement ដែលគេបានតម្រូវមិញណាគឺខ្ញុំសូមបើក file មកតមក